Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we are aboard the Boston Whaler 2021 17 Montauk. She's powered by a 4-stroke 115 horsepower Mercury engine. You have your pop-up seats on both the port and starboard side, and the backrests do pop right out and can easily be stored. Here at your helm seat, big seat, comfortable for 2 people, storage underneath, and of course the adjustable backrest. Up at your helm, you find your throttle, gauges, your switches, your compass, Raymarine screen, and of course your cup holders. You'll notice the stainless steel all around the boat, including that big bimini top, which can give you some shade on these nice hot sunny days. Inside your helm you have your console. Plenty of room for storage. And up at the bow, of course, your large sun pad. Very comfortable. Plenty of storage underneath. Cup holders on both port and starboard side. You have your rod holders here up against your console, along with your cooler seat. Again, this is the 2021 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. For any additional information, any questions, please reach out and give us a call at 508-320-3350. Thank you very much.